We are surrounded by unseen forces. Of the most powerful are the forces of nature, which we are still trying to understand. We have been trying to understand gravity for centuries, but it is still only evident through its effects, and with effect comes experience. But how can I explain to you how gravity affects my body? The simultaneous discomfort and joy of vertigo when my body is in suspension. This experience is mine, but how can I simulate it for you and for others? And if I could, would it be the same? Maybe I can capture the forces, solidify their actions through a cast, a frozen moment of time, revealing the forces acting upon a body. This experiment combined the simple harmonic movement of a pendulum oscillator, dripping molten metal into a vortex. It is a form without formwork, metal turned to liquid, then to solid again, recording the forces acting upon it in its form. What about not simulating, rather actually enhancing or recreating, manipulating or hacking? The forces and conditions which control our climate have been experimented with since the 50s, when cloud seeding came about. Developed further for military use and for warfare, the United States launched Operation Popeye during the Vietnam War, seeding clouds and causing a 30-day monsoon to pummel the Vietnamese. 1986, the Chernobyl disaster. The Soviet Union intercepted the cloud of fallout heading towards Moscow, releasing chemical agents into the sky, forcing rain clouds to form over Belarus, exposing the population to dangerously high levels of radiation, sacrificing one town for another. Should we have this power? The manipulation of our climate continued. The Soviet Union launching the Zmanya satellite mirror mission, a giant mirror orbiting with the International Space Station Mir, which would reflect the sun's rays to Siberia and to other cold regions as it passed overhead. The reflectance of the moon already increases the temperature on Earth by 0.1 degrees Celsius. The Zmanya satellite claimed to be 10 times more intense. The project lost funding, but weather modification continues across the Earth. Private companies in the States offer cloud seeding for as little as $6,000 to create rain, but China remains the world's largest producer of artificial rain, inducing 55 billion cubic meters of rain annually by firing silver iodide shells and rockets into the sky. National crop yields are up, whilst other neighboring regions complain about drier seasons. The technology of weather enhancing can bring many benefits, but with it too comes responsibility on how far we can push our ecosystems. Water sources have been fought over even in recent years, and as climate change destabilizes the natural rhythm of our weather systems, bringing more and more erratic weather, the result of drier seasons and shifting jet streams means insecurity for agriculture and even fresh water, and a new geopolitics will arise. France, for example, lies strategically west of Europe and is able to intercept the jet stream of warm air before it passes through Europe. My agenda will be to speculate on the changing landscape and infrastructure as France tries to further protect its agriculture and its fresh water supplies, creating an experimental city of rain capture, and with it a new type of architecture and infrastructure, one which flaunts as well as protects the abilities to control the weather, both on a macro and micro scale, and contemplating a new understanding of architecture through a non-visual sense experience.